Hello everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my vehicle. And guys, I wanted to reach out to you and actually share a little bit of something with you and just let you know how determined people are in this climate that we're facing. And we all know that this is the second round of coronavirus that's happening, and there are people in many states where the numbers are going up. But guys, the numbers don't have to go up, because for years I've been sharing with you all how you can actually work from home. You don't have to expose yourself to any of this chaotic events that we are dealing with. You don't have to. You actually can stay at home and earn from home. Now, I want to share with you what has happened and the results that I've been receiving. Because just the day before Thanksgiving, that's right, day before Thanksgiving, you all know yesterday was Thanksgiving, but just the day before Thanksgiving, I yielded $6,000, a little over $6,000. $6,000 just in one of my direct mail opportunities and also an online venture. So tell me that this can't be done. Tell me that this cannot be done. Tell me that people can't have at least a minimum $100, $200 day. If I am doing it and I'm being consistent. A lot of times people will ask me, Cassandra, during the holidays, do you mail? Do you consistently reach out to people? Absolutely. Absolutely. You know why? Because no matter what, you're going to always run into people with some sort of pain, some kind of agony, some kind of something that is leading to a financial stressing point, meaning they need more of to get through the month. And you can't tell me, you absolutely cannot tell me that people don't want change. People don't want different aspects of their life to change, and the only way they can do that is to step outside of their comfort zone and to make things happen. You got to make things happen. And I wanted to share that with you because I'm always allowing people to call me at any expense. I don't charge like other people. Get on the phone 15 minutes after that. You got to send something to my PayPal, send something to my Cash App. Since I don't do that, I take the time out with prospects, with people. And I have to call it like it is, because until we form a relationship, until we start engaging, that person is a lead or a prospect, because I'm not sure whether or not they want to continue with me. Most do. But just to be on the safe side, I want you guys to understand that please don't be fearful because we're in the middle of a pandemic second wave. Please don't be fearful because things are looking bleak right now, and it's we've gotten through Thanksgiving and we'll get ready to go to Christmas. I assure you, I have people that joined me the end of last month. They didn't know what their family gathering was going to be about. They didn't know what was going to happen. They didn't even know if they were going to have a gathering for Thanksgiving because their funds were so tight. So tight. And I have testimonials already pouring in. Cassandra, I can't believe just before Thanksgiving, just before Thanksgiving, I made $4,000. Just before Thanksgiving, I made $2,000. Just before Thanksgiving, in one case, $10,000 just before Thanksgiving. Guys, I'm not here to shoot smoke. I don't do that. If you know me, I don't shoot smoke. I talk real. I don't talk out the side of my neck or out the rear. I don't do that. But step outside of your comfort zone. Because when you step outside your comfort zone, that's when you find your massive success. Because now you find out where your strengths really lie and how you can capitalize on them. So let's close out 2020 with a phenomenal number adding to your bank account. And let's bring 2021 in with way beyond a bang. Let's do it with some fireworks, okay? Guys, go ahead, check below in the description, see what I have to offer you. Each and everything that I have down there is a winner. I'm not going to give you no bogus hogus. We're not going to have that. Okay? Nothing to spin your wheels. Proven blueprints to help you magnify closing out 2020 and bringing 2021 into a fruition of wealth. A fruition of wealth. Okay? If you just came onto my channel, guess what? Please go ahead and subscribe, like, leave a comment. And if you want to rant and rave and you are burnt out and you are frustrated and you just want to just let me know what all has happened for you in 2020, email me at askcassandragood@gmail.com and let me help you cut that out. Get your mind clear so you won't have to vent anymore. Guys, have a great one. I'm hoping and praying that this weekend finds you well and full of abundance and blessings. Guys, have a great one. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.